once. I emptied that ice cube tray, but I didn't know where to get water to put in it.
Oh, from the refrige.
From the Heinemann thing?
Yep.
I didn't know what you wanted me to use.
Oh, wow. Fireworks?
What color do you want?
Butterfinger. Gypsy.
No drinking non-homeless. I told him once. I wanted him to put the damn foot in full water, ice packet, and I wanted him off his feet, go down, prop the other leg up on another bar.
Pinch your nose. That one? Yeah. Ooh. Might be a good one. Ooh, that's a dandy.
He's a pretty good freestyler.
Here, take this. Here, send Look at. Okay, is the red light on? Robbie, I told you. Is the red light on? Let me see. Yeah, I think. Oh, yeah, it is. Mom, is the green light on inside there?
Yes, it was before, too. Which one?
Gypsy.
You went under. Where's the other one? Where's the other one, though? You know where he went.
You can do anything.
Backwards.
Professional guy, Mom, give him two over.
Shoot, I can't find him.
Is this a sailfish? Shut up, yeah.
Those are bigger than the ones we rode or powerful. Those are flat.
I'm sure they had governors on the ones that.
440, but I bet you they were had a governor on them.
I don't know who to.
Sorry about that.
He goes, what is this, Hell's Angels? And all those guys in them things.
Well, I'm losing them. Where are they?
Okay.
What? Get this on video.
Yeah, waves for them. They're having fun too. They're enjoying it.
They're setting up the wake for him so he can jump.
They're setting up waves for them. So they can jump the wave.
Where's the other?
Excuse me, do you mind? Oh, not you guys.
Not the big ones. The big ones are racing. They got registration and in the back. Back. This is like getting
Let's go! I wonder if they get too really. You guys can sit on the.
Like stall or something.
Kelly, I don't think that's very safe.
I know. I wish we knew they had the stupid mud preservers. 3 of them.
What would happen if you tipped over? You guys were flying over the graduation.
Yeah, but
I need me too.
Uh-oh, minus 10 points in freestyle. Well, you sure do, that's why we're here.